Hello viewers, today we're exploring drone technology changing the skies. Aerial photography and videography delve into the world of aerial photography and videography, where drone technology allows for breathtaking perspectives and cinematic shots. Precision agriculture. Witness how drones are transforming agriculture by providing farmers with real-time data on crop health, optimizing irrigation, and increasing overall efficiency. Search and rescue operations. Explore the role of drones in search and rescue missions, where they can cover large areas quickly, locate missing individuals, and deliver essential supplies to remote locations. Environmental monitoring. Dive into how drones contribute to environmental monitoring, from tracking wildlife populations and monitoring deforestation to assessing the impact of natural disasters. Infrastructure inspections. Experience how drones are revolutionizing infrastructure inspections, offering a safer and more efficient way to assess bridges, power lines, and other critical structures.